Hey everyone, it's Paula from WTI, and I want to share with you my Echo Show 10. We love this thing. I've had it for a year now, and I'm going to tell you the main reasons that I use it and why I love it. So first off, the speaker is amazing. Look at this. So Alexa, play The Greatest Showman. Alexa, play volume 10. And if you like karaoke, if you're playing it on Amazon, it'll bring up the words. Same thing with recipes. It can pull up videos, Netflix, Prime. I mean, this thing can do it all. She can even check your security camera for you if you have one of those video cameras. We do this sometimes when we're gone and we want to know what our dog is doing. We will turn her on and just pan around and take a peek in the house. So she is so useful. I love that this has connected my family even more. My daughter is able to talk to her grandpa, her grandmother, and it's so much more interactive because nobody's holding a phone. The camera is following you. There's no awkward nostrils to look at. You are gonna actually have a conversation. Turn the screen on and off with this button and mute her too so she stops moving as well. So right now I can say Alexa and she won't turn. I really love this Echo Show 10. If you're looking for a good device to make video calls on, to have in your kitchen, for example, if you want to do recipes with, or even just to have a great speaker, this thing does it all. And that is just my point of view.